you can only delete your own server, that's obvious. So for that you have to like open Discord, and so you can see that I'm using an animated wallpaper in my Discord. If you want to know how I did that, you can like watch a video on how you can have an animated wallpaper on this channel. So for deleting a Discord server, so I'm gonna make it to default settings first, default themes, so that you guys can understand easily. I'm going to turn off this theme. So basically you have to go to your server, right click on it. So right click on it and click on server settings. In here under overview option, you have to, sorry, not in overview option, under the like server name, you have to like scroll all the way down, and you will find the delete server here. So under user management you will like find it, or maybe another section which is like completely only saying delete server. You have to like click on delete server, and you have to type in the server name exactly the same, and it will like show you a warning. So you have to click on delete server again. So your server will be deleted. You can like describe your issue, why you deleted it, or you can say the reason. So that's how you can basically delete a Discord server. If you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe, and also thank you very much for watching this video.